Here I have CUBOT QUEST, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn on automatically at selected battery percentage. So for example, at 15% battery, this mode will turn on automatically. You also have this battery manager, the text when app drain battery, which also serves to battery saving, I guess, but yeah. And that's all the settings of this power saving mode here. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.